Hi everyone, this is a quick showcase on how to show or hide images according to user selection in a form. We're gonna be using fluid logic for that. We've got a form here with three options: male, female, and other. Clicking on male, a man's photo will appear. Clicking on female, a woman's picture will show up, while clicking on other will make nothing appear. How did we set this up in less than 2 minutes? Let's take a look at the Elementor editor. First, we've created this form here with a radio selection form field with the three options. In the Advanced tab, we set the ID to be gender. With that done, we placed our two images. Let's head to Fluid Visibility in the Advanced tab of the page settings, where we've created two conditions: if gender is female and if gender is male. We toggled on isForm field for both, specifying a condition that checks if the returned value in the form field is equal to either male or female for their respective condition, nothing more. Coming back to our images, we click on Advanced, scroll to Fluid Visibility, toggle it on and set the item to show if the respective condition is true. So if gender is female for the woman and if gender is male for the man. To get the fade in effect, we simply went to the Advanced tab, to Motion Effects, and set the entrance animation as fade in. That's pretty much all, and of course we can do this with any item, not just images. Get started at gloo.oo.